Have you ever wondered what makes the sun so hot? A burning ball of gas, the sun, has baffled and inspired humanity for centuries. This celestial body, sitting at the center of our solar system, is responsible for life as we know it on Earth. But what exactly makes it tick? The sun, a star in its own right, is a massive, glowing sphere of hot gas. Most of this gas is hydrogen, about 70%, and the rest is mostly helium, about 28%. The sun is so huge that it could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. That's a whole lot of gas. The sun gets its heat from nuclear fusion in its core. This process takes place when the high pressure and temperature cause hydrogen atoms to come together and form helium. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. The energy produced in the sun's core takes a long time to make its way to the surface. It could take a photon, a particle of light, up to 1 million years to finally leave the sun after it's formed. Once it leaves the sun, the light travels at a speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second. This speed means it takes just over 8 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth. The sun is not only incredibly hot, but it's also incredibly powerful. Every second, the sun produces more energy than humanity has used in its entire history. This energy comes from the conversion of mass into energy. This conversion happens according to Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, where E is energy, m is mass, and c is the speed of light squared. The sun is not a solid body. It is made up of different layers, each with its own unique properties. The core, radiative zone, convective zone, photosphere, chromosphere, and the corona are the 6 primary layers of the sun. Each layer plays a crucial role in the sun's operation, from nuclear fusion in the core to the emission of light and heat from the photosphere. But the sun, like all stars, won't last forever. It's about halfway through its life expectancy of 10 billion years. When it exhausts its hydrogen fuel, it will expand into a red giant and ultimately collapse into a white dwarf. But don't worry, that's about 5 billion years in the future. To summarize, the sun is a massive, glowing sphere of mostly hydrogen and helium gas. It gets its heat from nuclear fusion in its core, where hydrogen atoms merge to form helium, releasing a massive amount of energy. This energy travels from the core to the sun's surface and then speeds through space to warm our planet. The sun is a complex structure with several layers, each playing a vital role in its operation. And while it won't last forever, we can expect it to keep shining for another 5 billion years. Isn't it fascinating how a giant ball of gas, millions of kilometers away, has such a profound impact on our lives? The sun, with its colossal size, unimaginable heat, and vast energy, truly is the heart of our solar system.